Alright guys, welcome back to another Rotate vlog. Today, well, last video you saw me give Danny his gift, which was the intake as a gift to him. Well, today he needs some help installing it. He's at home trying to do it himself. He got stuck on something, so he called me. So that's where we're gonna head today, and I guess I'll bring you guys along for the process. Just figured I'll show you my car. Some updates since the last time. I got some new wheels, some Ankai's MT-03s. Right now my car is kind of out of commission. Need a new clutch, need some new sensors, doing some things to it, so I miss it. It's being neglected, but we'll be back. Don't worry, we'll be back. Always gotta check out that Rotate. I was gonna grab some tools, but he said he doesn't need anything. You know what, you can never be too careful, so let's do that. Let's grab my tool. I'm sorry, it's a mess. My tool bag. And I think that should be it. I think he'll be all right. So yeah, we're gonna head over there. Once I get there, I'll show you guys what's going on, what part he is on the intake. I believe he already took out the old one completely. He's just having trouble fitting the new one in. So we'll do that. Once we get that settled, I'm sure we'll go for a test drive, show you guys all the cool new turbo noises, and let's see how he reacts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, say what's up, Danny.
What's popping now?
So his intake is out. We're putting it in, putting the new one in. He was having some trouble, but we're getting it. Danny, would you like to tell the viewers back home what you're doing right now?
Struggling. That's what I'm doing. Like every other car dude.
He is putting this cover back on to protect the intake from water damage. Just a little plastic cover. And then up top,
It's not working, bro.
up top we're putting the intake. The piping. Right here is the elasticals.
What is going on? Sí, sí. Eso se puso el otro día. Es el connector. I have to put it in. It loosens up.
All right. We're going around the block. We're going to test this bad boy. Let's see how good Danny can drive. How you feeling, Danny? You excited? You finally got this done?
Yes.
Just putting on my seatbelt, ladies and gentlemen. Safety first. You got your window down? Yes, you do. Oh, you can hear it. Woo. I heard it. I don't know if you did. Oh, this thing. You hear it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You hear more on my side.
Yep.
It feels so much smoother too. Holy moly.
I don't know if you guys can hear this on the camera, but it sounds really nice. Alright, turbo noises from the outside for you guys. that last one was really good. Danny's first car mod. Oh. Your first ever mod on a car ever, right? Any
Yes,
car?
sir.
Wow. How's it feel? You're officially a
good.
car guy now. You weren't a car guy before, but you are now.
I know, because I didn't have anything. Man, you could feel like the air,
Yeah.
like it feels
You know, all that, and Danny wants to leave me and go to Puerto Rico, so.
good. Bring Rotate to Puerto Rico.
Yeah. Civic SI Turbo. We're in Mexico, by the way.